cup of coffee.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I am searching for Shagun's NEET examination result.
Yes, I did it. Good morning, Mama, Papa.
Good morning, beta. You are looking so excited today.
Yes, Papa, I cleared my NEET exam today. Very good, Charlie.
Wow, my child, I'm proud of you.
Now, what's your future plan? Mama, Papa, I want to take admission in MBBS. MBBS? What's MBBS? Mother, this is a degree. After doing this, you became a doctor. Wow, my child will become a doctor.
Very good, beta. Your decision is very nice. I am with you.
Papa, can you please go to Government Medical College? I want to take admission in that.
Okay, beta. I will go there tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Papa.
What a beautiful building. Mind-blowing. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, I am Sujit. I had came here for my daughter's admission in MBBS. Can I meet Mr. S.K. Bansal?
Yes, sir. You can meet him now, but sir is busy now. You can meet him after 5 minutes.
Shall I visit the college?
Yes, sir.
Wow, what a beautiful building. Nice. My daughter will surely achieve her dream.
Sir,
Very
you
good.
can meet him now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in, please. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir. So, I am Sujit. I had came here for my daughter's admission in MBBS.
Very good, sir. But look, there is no vacancy in our college.
But sir, she is brilliant. She had got sufficient marks. How can you deny from this?
Look, Mr. Sujit, there is no vacancy. But we have some seats that are reserved for the daughters of our ministers. If you want that seat, you have to give some donations to our college. After that, I will think about your matter.
Why donation? Sir, that's all right. My daughter had got sufficient marks and fulfilled all the criteria. Then also you are asking for donation?
Now you will teach me how to do my job.
But how much donation are you asking for?
It's beyond your imaginations. For people like you, 25 lakhs.
What? 25 lakhs? This is not a donation. This is a crime. I will definitely go to police station and complain about this.
Okay, do whatever you want to do. Just get out from here.
I will go to police station.
Mother, will I get admission in college?
Yes, beta, you'll definitely get the admission in the college.
Are you sure?
Yes, beta, don't worry, you have got sufficient marks.
Papa, did I get admission in college?
You bring some water.
Papa, did I get admission?
No, my dear. They are asking for donation of 25 lakhs.
So what, Papa? You should give it to them. Today, we don't get admission anywhere without donation.
But why should we?
No, Papa. This is my dream to be a doctor. I know we are not that much rich. We don't have that much money. But please, Papa.
Okay, beta. I will go to police station and complain about this.
Don't worry, beta, your father will fix everything. Just do whatever you want.
I just need admission in college.
May I come in, officer?
Yes, sir, come in.
Hello, officer.
Hello, sir, have a seat.
Thank you, officer. Officer, I am Sujit.
I'm not interested in your name. What's the matter, sir?
Sir, I had came here for complaining against S.K. Bansal.
What? S.K. Bansal, the famous college principal. What's the matter, sir?
Sir, I had gone there for my daughter's admission. But they are asking for donation of 25 lakhs.
So what? It is common now. Just give the donation and take admission for your daughter. Why are you wasting my time? You know who is he? He's the richest person of the state.
But sir, it's your duty. I had came here for complaining against him and you are trying to deny from your job.
Now you will teach a police officer what to do or not.
But officer,
Constable. Yes, sir. Throw out. Constable, what are you doing? Sir? I just said to throw him out, not me.
Who said friend? Speak sorry. Just get out.
I will see you.
Okay, see me?
I would not leave you.
Okay, don't leave. Just get out.
Constable, get out.
Papa, what happened? You seem so frustrated. What happened in the police station? Are you listening to me?
Beta, the policeman also supported the rich person.
So what, Papa? If you would have given me donation, then I could get my admission so easily. But you don't support my dream. I told you it is my dream to be a doctor.
But beta, I don't have much money. How can I give it to him?
But Papa, you did very wrong with me today. I always believed you like my superhero, but you're not my superhero anymore.
But what should I do?
Just do whatever you want. You spoiled my career. You spoiled my dreams. You hurt me today. You're so bad.
You spoiled my career. You spoiled my dream. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me today. You hurt me today, Papa. You are so bad.
It was my final chance, but I blew it.
Because of you, Papa, you hurt me today. You are not my superhero anymore. You hurt me today.
No! Please! Just stop it!
Papa, are you okay? I was angry, but I didn't mean what I said.
I just want to fulfill your dream, beta. But I cannot fight this system.
No, Papa, you have given me something bigger. The strength to stand up for what is right. If we want to change this country, someone has to take the first step. I want my seat, but not through corruption. I file an RTI, go to media. I raise up my voice on social media. You were and always be my superhero. I filed the RTI. The news is viral on the social media and the news channel. Let me show you something.
Breaking news. A newly qualified student has thrown shot and corruption without going to the college. A system meant to reward merit is now being exposed for selling dreams. A newly qualified girl who earned her place in a top government medical college was denied admission. Not because she lacked marks, but because her family lacked money. When her father refused to pay the demanded donation, the college shut its door and when he go to the police and was told, "This is how it works." Her father and the honest man approached both the college and the police, but found no support. The system failed her, but instead of that, the doctor fought back. She filed an RTI, brought the case to light, and soon the story went viral. Protests began, citizens and students stood together. Now she is not alone anymore. Parents, citizens, and students have gathered outside the college to demand an accountability.
What brought you all here today? Why are you protesting outside the college?
We are here because we are tired of our system selling future for money. This student stood up and was standing with her.
Do you think corruption can actually be stopped?
Yes, if more students raise their voice like her, the system will have to change. We can't stay silent anymore.
What message you have for those in power, the authorities?
Stop taking advantage of our dreams. We work hard. We deserve our admissions by merit, not by money.
What would you say the students watching this from home?
Don't be afraid. Speak up. If you are right, people will support you just like we are supporting her today.
What does justice mean to you in this case?
Justice means what you earn, not what you can buy. The girl has earned her seat. Now she is getting it. That's justice.
From silence to outrage, from fear to courage, this story reminds us that fight against corruption is not just legal, it's moral. One voice exposed a broken system, and now thousands are echoing that call for justice. This is not just a news story, this is a mirror to our reflection, and our reflection is asking, how long will we let corruption to decide our children's future? Mama, Papa, I won! The system is with me right now. The people are supporting me. You can watch it on TV. I got my admission.
As a result of public pressure, the girl principal has been suspended. The student has now been granted her rightful seats purely on merit. One voice, one student, started against corruption and made a difference. This is not just a victory, it's a message for every honest children.
I knew that my daughter will surely achieve this.
I'm so happy for you, my child. I'm proud of you.
If we stay silent, someone else's dreams will be crushed tomorrow. But if we speak the truth and stand up for what is right, the system will change. Dreams should never die because of corruption. They should rise, and they will.
studio of one student becomes the voice of many. A fight against others, friends, students, strangers, all raising against corruption. Because when one stands up, others follow, and together they begin to change the system.